Every man carries fears he'll never say out loud. Not because he's weak, but because the world told him he's not allowed to feel them. Today, we're exposing the hidden fears men bury deep, the ones that secretly shape their choices, their relationships, and their entire lives. Every man has a private world inside him, a world no one ever sees. Not his friends, not his partner, not even the people he trusts the most. Because from childhood, men are taught one thing: hide your fear, hide your pain, hide your doubts. So men grow up learning to stay silent, even when something is crushing them. Today, we're lifting the curtain on the secret fears men carry, but never admit. And if you're a man watching this, you may see yourself in every single one. Fear number 1, the fear of not being enough. Men rarely say it. But deep down, the greatest fear many carry is this: what if I'm not good enough? Not strong enough? Not successful enough? Not attractive, smart, or stable enough? Men constantly compare themselves to expectations from society, family, social media, and even their past. They act confident. They act unbothered. But inside, many men feel like they're one failure away from losing everything: respect, love, or their place in the world. It's not insecurity, it's pressure. Pressure to always perform, always provide, always handle everything perfectly. And the weight of that pressure is heavy. Fear number 2, the fear of being replaceable. Men don't talk about this, but it eats at them quietly. The fear that they can be replaced by someone richer, someone stronger, someone more successful. Modern dating, social media, endless options. It all fuels the thought that a man's value can be switched out like a product. So a man works harder, tries more, gives more. But he rarely admits that underneath his strength is a silent fear of not being someone's only, just someone's for now. Fear number 3, the fear of failing the people he loves. A man can handle failing himself, but failing the people he cares about? That's what breaks him. Men take responsibility seriously, sometimes too seriously. They want to protect, support, and be the steady foundation others can rely on. But deep down, they fear disappointing those who look up to them. This fear doesn't come from ego. It comes from love. Fear number 4, the fear of vulnerability. Opening up sounds simple, but for many men, it feels like walking into battle unarmed. They fear that if they reveal their emotions, they'll be judged, misunderstood, seen as weak, or worse, have their vulnerability used against them. So men stay quiet. They laugh instead of confessing pain. They say, "I'm good," instead of, "I'm struggling," not because they don't feel, but because they feel too deeply and don't know where it's safe to open the door. Fear number 5, the fear of being alone forever. Men won't admit this one, but they think about it, late at night, when the world goes silent. Every man wants connection. Every man wants to be understood. But fear tells him, what if no one ever chooses me for who I am? What if I'm always the backup plan? What if I never find someone who truly sees me? Even the strongest men carry this fear. They just hide it beneath humor, confidence, or silence. Men don't fear because they're weak. They fear because they care about purpose, love, stability, and the people who depend on them. Behind every man's silence, behind every mask, behind every "I'm fine," there's a story he hasn't learned how to tell yet. If this video reached you, then you already know. The strongest men are often the ones who suffer in silence.